Hello, I'm Kettler. I'm here with the Ritchie law firm. Today I'm here to talk to you about 5 common mistakes in applying for Social Security disability applications. Social Security disability applications, in most of them, they're denied up front, but there's a few things that you can do to increase your chances of being approved right at the outset. The first common mistake that we see is not filling out all the paperwork. Now, this is a good amount of paperwork that they give you, but oftentimes if you're not thorough and fill out all of the information that they request, then you'll end up getting a denial letter that says not enough information. Not that you're not disabled, not that the medical evidence doesn't show that you're disabled, just the paperwork wasn't filled out. So that's one thing that you can do right off the bat to increase your chances of being approved. The second mistake that we often see is exaggerating your job duties. So when they're asking about this in the application, they are not asking for a resume. They are asking for what your actual job duties were, because they're trying to figure out what jobs can you do in the future. So it's helpful to be realistic in what your job duties have been and just say the bare facts of what your duties were. The third serious mistake that we see is not listing all of the serious medical conditions. The medical conditions often work together in your life to actually produce some of these difficulties. If there's one overriding issue and you've got no other medical issues that are really affecting the problems that you're having, that's fine. But if it's this one big thing that's the problem, and then other medical conditions are making that harder, it's the combination of things that Social Security needs to look at and understand your particular situation. Along that same line, mistake number 4 is not getting those serious medical issues diagnosed or treated. When this gets before Social Security, they're looking to see, is this problem diagnosed by a doctor? Have you been getting treatment for this issue? Because if you haven't been, then Social Security looks at your forms and says, what's wrong? They say that something is wrong here, but there's no doctor saying anything about it. So that's something, it's also important to do that because one, if you get regular treatment, then it also means that you may end up getting better. So both the purposes of getting better and to make your claim better, it's important to get regular medical treatment for the issues that you're facing. And the last mistake number 5, is just not applying. If you don't apply, then you are certain to not get benefits. So if you or a loved one are unable to work full-time, you have a serious medical condition and you're no longer able to work full-time, then go ahead and apply. And then call us at the Ritchie Law Firm. We deal with Social Security cases every single day, and we'd be happy to help you and your family.